This is AutoCAD Lesson 1 of Chapter 11. You're going to begin by finding a file called mPolylines. You're going to find then the draw panel and polyline. You're going to click your first point. You're going to then type in 6,000, enter. Now right click without exiting the command arc 3,000. Again 3,000, but this time just keep everything at 0 degrees. Now you're going to go up, right click, line, you're going to type in 9,000. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to right click again without exiting the command to your width. Your width is going to be 2,000. And then your last one, you're going to also click in 0. Basically what this did was said you're going to create a line that starts at 2,000 and it's going to end at 0. That makes an angle. Basically makes a arrow. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to type in 3,500, which is going to set your height of that arrow. So once that's done, you may want to make sure you remember what I just showed you, because that was a test question that I remember specifically from the certification exam, and I'm sure it will show up in one form or another on the next one. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to click on right here. Notice how the entire polyline shows up. You're going to go Control 1. Oh, whoops. 2 also. Once you get your polyline selected and it shows the properties menu, you're going to then go down to global width, type in 200, enter, escape, or you can just exit out and escape the selection. Notice how that line got a lot thicker. Now you may want to notice this. You can click on the polyline and notice how everything shows up as selected. Next thing you can do is we're going to do fillets. So you may remember these. I don't know if these were in a previous tutorial, but basically what you do is you click your first line and your second line and it cuts it off. This is a fillet of 0. I can tell because it's not, the radius is so small it looks like a point. Now if we wanted to change this, it may show it in another tutorial, but you basically just right click and change the width. The radius, sorry. It's right there. You would just change it, but for this you're going to keep it up 0 or whatever the default is. Once that's done, you're going to go to your layout. It's going to pull everything up, and then from there you're going to then just export it with your initials and done.